girl Nay, and I'm back with another cooking video today. Today what we got today, we're gonna have bell peppers. It's stuffed bell pepper with this ground beef. I'm gonna brown this meat real quick. But yeah, let's get into my video, y'all. Stay tuned. So I gotta do everything by myself because I ain't got no help right now. Alright. Okay, y'all, I am back. Had to chop these onions. Don't want to make the video too long because, no. Alright, well, add these onions to this ground beef. Don't come at me in my comments because, yeah, I will get you. I don't have all the utensils for cooking ware, but, hey, I got some. Them onions, girl, them onions. Some people don't put onions in their ground beef, but some people do. And I'm one of the people. Because I love onions here. I love onions and everything. Boy, I'm going to watch this video. So yeah, let me see. Move this back a little bit. I got to turn on my thing. Okay. See, it already smells good with onions. Make sure they're off. Alright. And my minced garlic, whatever, how you say it, minced spice, whatever. Dang, I don't know if I use that. Now, 1 second, y'all. I'm gonna do this instead because it was in the refrigerator. Some whole garlic right there. I ain't like how that smelled. You feel me? Hey y'all, some of y'all don't add water, but I add a little water because I don't like it looks dry. So it's just too nice to add a little water. Make it a little wet. Get a little wet while it's cooking. And my food be tasting good, y'all. I know how to cook. I'm not a professional cook, but I know how to cook. I know how to make my food taste good. And look good. Water is used for a lot of stuff. So I got my water boiling over here for my rice. You gotta work with what you got. Gotta make some rice. While we wait on that, I'm gonna do my bell peppers. I already did one. This one's already done, like, see. First time doing this, y'all. Okay, but I don't know if it's doing it right or not, but we will see. That's cool, I guess. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I'm gonna add my rice to my ground beef. Just sprinkle it up in there like that. They be beating us hard. I don't got tomato sauce or whatever, y'all, so I gotta do it the other way. Ketchup.
We get hugs.
Got the ketchup in there. Alright guys, I'm back. Had a little ghetto fired it real quick. I'm gonna add the ketchup on top of it. It's like a little, what is it called? Meatloaf. It's like a meatloaf. It's like a meatloaf. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese on that. The bad boys right there. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'm out, Trinity Gang. This is the final results. Trinity Gang, we love you. Peace and blessings.